welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How are you guys doing today? We got everything done on the Banshee as far as the head resealed up and all that fun stuff. I want to get the wiring tucked, put more coolant in it, check for leaks, and then we'll fire it up, maybe take it for a quick test ride before we throw all the plastics, lights, and get all the little stuff buttoned up on it for this weekend. I know some of you are probably going to bust my ass in the comments because in the last video, I said we are going to finish the Banshee today. And I mean every single thing on the Banshee today. After we get the rest of the chassis buttoned up, we'll go ahead and put the lug nuts on, get the alignment done, and hopefully have a nice cinematic of a complete entire Banshee ready to go ripping this weekend. So yeah, I'm just jumping right into it today, guys. So stay tuned. Man, this place is a mess. I can't wait to get this thing put together so that I can finally take it for a ride and get this place cleaned up. I want to go ahead and get some coolant in it real quick, and then hopefully no leaks, and we should be good to go for a test ride. So that's my hope today. No leaks, everything sounds good, everything buttoned up. Get the lights on, all that stuff, and, you know, cross our fingers. I'm sure everybody else is going to have their recommended mix of antifreeze and water wetter and all kinds of stuff, or like the special stuff you get at the store. But for now, I'm just going to use regular pre-diluted coolant and fill this bad boy up. I do want to fire it up real quick. I think I set my idle just a hair higher so that I can get the break-in done. So we're going to try that real quick. I guess not. Let's try it again. I think we got it this time. Oh my God, look at all the smoke. Oh, that's insane. I knew I should have went outside. But yeah, so we're gonna do 2 heat cycles on it. That's typically what I do for my 2 strokes. So I do 2 heat cycles, help wear the cylinders in. I know some of you are probably gonna yell at me for giving it a couple revs, but you gotta keep the plugs cleaned out because with that rich mixture, that's probably one of the reasons why I kept dying. It's such a big bore. I don't have the jetting right on the pilots or anything like that yet. And so before that's all dialed in, I need to make sure I get the brake-in settled in first. So bear with me for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get the brakes on the front hooked up real quick, bled. We'll do a 2nd heat cycle, and then we'll take it for a quick rip. Hopefully it's not too dark out by then. All right, guys. So next we're gonna be installing the brake lines for the front of this quad. And coming in strong, this is eBay's best stainless steel brake lines they offer, steel braided. They were about $70 shipped on eBay, which is a really good deal for these brake lines. So let's take a minute and get those installed and get those bled real quick. And then we're gonna move on to making brackets for the lights, as well as getting the seat tank mounted and spaced up away from the pipe. And then we'll go over anything else that needs attention at that point. I think also the alignment needs to be done. And that's pretty much it after that. So let's get started.
I'm tired of the pain.
Ooh, look at them nice stainless steel lines. Back there, up into the T, and up into the handlebars. Now we just gotta bleed the brakes, and then we'll be good to go for the front brakes at least. Alright guys, so now that we got the front brakes done, the alignment done, back brakes bled, I think the only thing left to do is mount these headlights. These are the ones I showed you guys in an earlier video. These are the Tractor Supply Traveler lights, 20 watt, 6-inch light for each side. All I have to do is make a mount for these and then wire them up to the plug. After doing some math with the electrical side of the stator of the Banshee, I figured out that these should work okay. I did test one earlier and it did light up fine when I turned the headlights on, so we'll see once we get it wired up if it draws too much or too little with both of them. So yeah, we're gonna get these on, and then also the plastics and the tank shimmed, and get some of that DEI heat wrap on it, and then we should be good to go, guys. We should be ready for our first rip.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm trying just in time.
Alright guys, so I have exhausted myself tonight finishing this thing up. I did not film every single thing on the entire quad, but take a look at the finished product.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now
So yeah, I am exhausted. I think she looks decent. I got a lot of cleaning to do, some decals to put on her, some things like that. Finishing touches. We'll do that tomorrow, and after I get some sleep, and we'll take it for a test rep. Brakes work good now. We got the brakes all hooked up. Good. Tank, I got 2 bolts to put in the back of the tank, and then literally this entire chassis is done. I did not test the lights yet. I'll test the lights tomorrow. It's very late. I don't want to wake anybody up in the neighborhood or anything. So yeah, let's recoup, and we'll try again for tomorrow.
Looking for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by.
Alright guys, day number 2, 4-wheeler's ready. Let's take it for a rip and see what she does. Yeah. Say what up.
What up, people?
It's been a while since you've been on the channel.
Getting ready for a race season.
Yeah, same. Oh man, that is fast.
And it was right before my eyes.
As always, guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure you like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time